So, you want to learn about permanent lights and how this box works? Normally this box, we mounted it up so that way we could go through the wall. But in this one, I'm going to show you how these channels are marked. So, normally, the way these channels are marked is by our board, is the 10 amp is the number 1 channel. Then it goes 2, 3, 4, and that is how these are marked. So out of the box should be channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, or that's channel 4, and channel 3. So those are my 3 channels that I'm going to use on this house to be able to do this house. So I'm actually going to take the caps out of it, and I know that my farthest one is, I want it to be channel 3 is my goal for that one to be channel 3. And then the other 2, I'm just going to have to play with it because I didn't remember which is channel 1 and which is channel 2. So we're going to put it on there. And then the other 2, I'm just going to pray and hope that whichever it is, that we can do that. I'm probably going to have to tighten that up a little bit more. Pull these back down here. So channel 1 and channel 2. If I can get it to slide in if you can't see it. Otherwise you gotta find a little arrow on it. Right there's the arrow, find the other arrow and stick the 2 in, it makes it way easier. Tighten them up. Put my little block back in there. Pull the caps out. Sometimes you can slide them in there, like that one just slid right in. No problem though. Right? So I'm gonna keep these caps. I'm gonna slide my 3 wires up in there, make it look good. Now kind of all even. Tighten it up. Now tie this 4th one up in there. Tighten it up so no crap gets in it. So if I needed to put another channel on there, I could actually put the 4th channel on there. See if I can tighten this up a little better. Get a smaller screwdriver. Tighten it up in there. That way they look good. And then I'll put the antenna out so that way it tries to get its best. And I can go ahead and put the lid on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on it. So that way if I don't have to come back up here, I don't have to come back up here. But that is how we can install the 4 channels of the permanent light box. It does have 4 channels. Each channel can run 100 lights off of each channel. You can run more than that off of it. You're just gonna have to, you would have to run power. You can run a wire from here if you're only using, say if you're doing 200 straight feet, you could actually run a wire out of here to feed that last 100 feet for that, as long as you're not using that 4th channel. The key to this is these boxes are designed to only, you should only run 80% of whatever the box is capable. So this is a 600 watt, so you only really want to run 400 watts out of it, so that way you don't overdo anything. Tighten these up. We got it there. I'm actually going to run this. They're going to put a plug in here, but it's not in there right now, so I'm actually going to run this down the back side of this box, so that way it's kind of out of the way. And then we're going to plug it down here with this other plug that I'm going to have to run an extension cord for. So that is how you can run your wires, make them look awesome. Again, if you got any permanent light questions, if you're thinking about doing permanent lights, give me a holler. You can go check out christmaslights.io/P. Or if you want some installed and you're in the greater Cincinnati area, give me a holler for Inspiring Nights, inspiringnights.com. We can come get these lights up, make your house look amazing too. See you later in my next video.